Okay, I'm going to show you how quickly and easily you can connect your Google Analytics, so GA4, to your WordPress website. So all you need to do, just type in Google Analytics, click in here. You've obviously got to have a Gmail account to be able to do this. So what we'll do is we'll go over to an account that I've just made. And so this is for an affiliate website that I own. I haven't actually changed the logo yet. You can see how new the site is. Just put it up overnight pretty much. Start measuring. And you can see here what we need to do is basically come up with some details so that Google knows who we are. So what we're going to do is we need to put an account name in. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put in here, name of the company, like so, and I'm going to click everything there. Next, property name, and again I'm just going to place like so, get rid of this. Then obviously time zone, I want United Kingdom because that's where we're based, and obviously time goes with it. And then we can actually look for British pounds, so all the analytics and data coming in. We are a small 1 man, 1 to 10 man, and industry we're in affiliate marketing, so we have to try and choose something that is as close as possible to that. So we're doing kind of like renewable energy products, home, garden, cars, anything that is referencing that. So we might put it under, say, it's a difficult one. I think I'm just going to put it under home and garden at the moment. I can change that later. And then it's going to ask me what my objectives are. So analyze metrics and attract new customers is something I definitely want. Drive online sales, I'd like to drive online sales. Raise the brand awareness, yep. Examine behaviour, yes, I'd like to do that. Get baseline reports. This is, again, this bit's optional. So just click them all. So you can see it's all changed. Create, you can see I need to agree to the service and terms and conditions. So United Kingdom, click. And click here, accept, and then you'll see here we've got a choice of web, Android, or an app. It's obviously a website that I'm measuring, so what I'm going to do, put my website in here. I'm going to get rid of that, and I need to get rid of the front bit because, as you can see, we've already got the HTTPS. So ideally, if you've got a website this day and age, you really need the S on the end, which stands for Secure Socket Layer 128-bit encryption. So that's called an SSL certificate. So ideally, you need that SSL. Then we need to rename the stream that we want. We're just going to put that like so. And then we're going to create the stream. So you can see here we've got tag, install, blah, blah, blah. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to our website because we're using a WordPress website. So if we just go over to the back end of our website, you need full admin access in order to do this. So we're going to go to Add New, and in the Add New top right hand corner, we're just going to put in there site kit, like so. And we're looking for Google Site Kit, so this one here, install, and this will actually come up on the left hand side, somewhere near the dashboard at the top. So activate. So what this is going to then do is you can see that the plugin is actually here now, and on the top left hand side you see under dashboard on the left it says SiteKit dashboard. So go to the dashboard, and here you can see connect Google Analytics as part of the setup, and the answer is yes, we do want to do that. So sign in with Google, so sign in with our Gmail account. So this is the one I want. Here you can see I'm going to select all, and I'm going to continue, and then all I need to do is verify ownership. And you can see these 4 steps it's going to take. Just wait for it to verify. Turn on the metrics, allow. Set up Google Search Console. So ideally we want a console, and here we also can set up our Google Analytics. So here you can see it's connecting. You can see the account, you can see the properties, and here you can see that data stream. So just check the number 40591F, and here, if we get rid of this, you see in the top right hand corner the ID measurement 4091F is correct, so we know it's right. Then we can configure the analytics, and then basically after that we just leave it. So it can take anything up to 48 hours now for the data to come into your account. There's a couple of other things you can do with this, so we're just going to click OK. You see here it can take 74 hours for the Search Console, and again you can log into your Google Search Console using the same Gmail account. Even if you have, like me, I haven't set the account up, it's automatically done that for me, and it's verified. It's now waiting to gather information. So basically that's all there is to it, and you've now set up your Google Analytics, Google Search Console. Obviously with your Gmail account you need to set up GA4, so your Google Analytics, Google AdWords, or Google Ads as they're now known, Google Profile, Looker Studio, and Google Search Console should all be set up from one Gmail only, because obviously you want all of them to be able to be connected, so that the data can flow easily into GA4 and the analytics, so you can get that data as you require it. Hopefully that's helped. Thank you.